This is the Kawaguchi Dam, a hydroelectric power plant located within Naka town, Tokushima prefecture. The dam stores an abundance of water collected from a mountain called Jirogyu in the Tsurugi mountain range, which flows into the Naka River. The white building in the center of the dam is the Kawaguchi power plant. This building uses the power of water to generate enough electricity to power 14,700 households a year. But what is it like on the inside? Let's go inside and take a look. This is the switchboard room. These machines are used to operate and monitor the power plant. As the plant is currently being controlled remotely from Tokushima City, there is no need for staff to be here. Wow, it's so spacious, right? The generator can be seen below. In this area, the crane we see here is used to lift the generator for maintenance. As a special treat, let's see the crane in action. Let's go downstairs to the front of the generator. This is the generator. Let's go inside. The momentum from the water flowing underneath the generator turns this turbine. Power is then produced by the generator above our heads. The two generators at the Kawaguchi power plant continue to produce electricity, which is then delivered to the plant and to us. This is the hydraulic equipment room. These turbines and generators are controlled by hydraulic pressure, which is both incredibly reliable and safe. This is the maintenance area. Even the tools and screws are big. Now we've arrived at an area even further down in the power plant. The thick black iron pipe in front of us channels water to the turbine. The water from the reservoir is now flowing vigorously towards the turbine. At last, we have reached the deepest part of the dam. The Kawaguchi Dam uses what are known as Kaplan turbines. During maintenance, this steel door is opened to inspect the turbines. The Kawaguchi power plant was planned as part of the Naka River Integrated Development Project. The purpose of the project was to contribute to the development of industry in the prefecture. Construction of the dam began in 1956 and was completed in August 1961. 60 years after its completion, the dam continues to produce electricity. It also serves as a place for many people to learn about natural energy at the nearby Natural Energy Museum. The large reservoir is also known as Hydrangea Lake, and it is a popular resting spot that is surrounded by cherry blossoms in the spring and hydrangeas during the rainy season. Did you enjoy the tour? By combining the wisdom of our ancestors with new discoveries all our own, we can continue to live in harmony with nature. We look forward to seeing you here soon.